For years, the smartphone world has been a three-horse race. Apple has the ecosystem, Samsung has the market share, and Google has the software smarts. But what if a sleeping giant just woke up? Sony's upcoming Xperia VIII isn't just another phone. It's a statement. Let's start with the camera, because honestly, it's in a league of its own. Sony has literally packed technology from its professional cinema cameras into this phone. We're talking about a variable aperture lens, a true industry first. And for all you videographers, get ready for this. 8K video at a smooth 120 frames per second with zero rolling shutter. And with a 240 Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling to gaming is impossibly smooth. The color accuracy is so good, it's calibrated like one of Sony's professional studio monitors. This screen isn't just for watching content, it's for creating it with perfect color confidence. Under the hood, it's a beast. The latest Snapdragon chip is paired with a serious vapor chamber cooling system. So, who is this phone for? Sony isn't trying to beat Samsung in sales volume. They're targeting the creators, the photographers, the enthusiast people who demand the absolute best and often carry a separate camera. Sony's asking, what if you only needed one device? And if you're already in the Sony ecosystem with an alpha camera or a PlayStation, the integration is seamless. Yes, the price is up there at $30.99. It's ultra premium. But if you're serious about content creation, think about what you're getting. A cinema-grade camera and a reference display in your pocket. Suddenly, the value makes a lot more sense. This phone isn't for everyone, and that's the point. Sony is setting a new standard for what premium actually means. It's not just about being expensive. It's about being genuinely advanced. The Xperia VIII is a sign that the competition is about to get fierce. And 2025 might be the year Sony changes the game.
Forget the bulky cinema camera. Today, we're using the Xperia because the video quality and stabilization mean this is all you need for your next masterpiece.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.